All right, how's it going, everyone? Working on the Jetta today, as you can see. Bumper got ripped off the other day in snow, so I haven't put that back on yet. That's coming, but doing not solid, but hold on, I gotta take these headphones out. Not solid, but I think these are polyurethane. What are they here? Not quite sure what they are. Pretty sure they're poly. For our dog bone mount. So I'm doing the part where it bolts the subframe. I'm not. Wow, this mount's pretty bad too. I probably should be doing that one too, but I didn't order it. So I might order that and do that too. I just wanted to see how bad the vibration was here. So what I did, 9/16 for this mount. I think it's normally a 16, but they put a 9/16 on here. This bolt just comes out. This is the nut in the back. This cap comes right off. And this, I'm going to get a screwdriver to pry on it with. Just kind of get into it. Yeah. Okay. So this just slides right off. Probably going to save that because there's a chance I might hate this and go back. Here's the mount. It's only about probably 3 months old. Looks pretty good, but we're gonna try the new ones. See how that does. Just gonna wipe this off. Try to get some of the junk off. And I'm going to get some anti-seize on it. Just trying to get out anything that would like make it fit weird in there. I'm going to try and scrape some of that. So I'm going to take some grease or anti-seize here, and I'm going to put it all over this part. Just like this. And I'm going to put it on the shaft part. That's good. So first bushing, I already forgot. This is the back one. So this one's going to go first. I'm going to give this a little bit of grease too. Like that. A little bit on the inside. Slide this on. Right up. Good. Then I'm going to get another little bit of grease here. This, that's good. All right, next piece. This goes this way. Then I'm going to coat this in grease. Okay. That. I'm going to put another layer on this too. This is just going to slide right in. Just like that. Then our final piece. Drop this piece on. That's good. And put some on the bolt too. Just on the threads. Get a little crunchy down there. All right, flip it over. This piece is gonna go. Ooh, didn't pay attention to this part. So it goes like this. Take our bolt. Yep, that's good. And I'm gonna get a 9/16 here. We'll use the big torque wrench. And I'm gonna put it at I don't know, 20 foot-pounds. That's a lot. Hold up. All right, I'm gonna try 20 foot-pounds and see how that feels. I feel like I'm probably gonna want to go a little more than that. Although this is a bushing. I think 20 is going to be plenty here. Though I don't want it coming off, so I'm going to do 25. 26. There we go. Okay. That's on. Grab our light. That off. Here's our new mount. Looks good. Just wipe off the grease that squeezed out. Oh, it feels so much stiffer. See how this does. So with this, I'm hoping leaving this mount, which this one looks like it's ripped anyways. Actually, I want to check that. No, it's not ripped. Or at least it doesn't look ripped. But I'm gonna try it like this. See how this mount does. If it's not too violent, I'll probably get this one too. I'm just gonna wipe this off, make it a little cleaner. I also got these for my bumper to reattach it. I got quick releases, so that'll be hopefully next video. I'm not sure if I'm going to do an oil change video or not. So if I don't, that'll be next video. Just going to come underneath here, work it all down. Alright, hopefully that's bright enough down here. I hate this light. I'm going to slide our mount in. Just lay it there. Grab our short bolt, goes in the transmission. Hopefully there's the angle right. So I'm going to put the bolt through. Pull everything forward to get the bolt going. That's good. And then these two bolts. Alright, and then loosely snug up. Torque wrench. 60 on this thing, which is probably more like 30 or 40. Let's see. That feels pretty good. 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 And then I'll grab our 13, snug these down. And I'm just gonna go snug and then like quarter turn. So like snug right here. I call that snug and then quarter turn. All right. All right. First impressions. Definitely can feel the motor. A good bit more with the solid mounts here. I can feel it in the pedal. Not bad. It's bearable. I know that. So we're gonna go for a ride here. Is it bad? Kind of. Is it awful? That's the question. Oh, it's pretty bad. It feels a lot solider? Solider? More solid? Alright. The recording good. First gear on the highway, we're gonna go. She definitely feels better. Hopefully we make it home without dying here. We'll call it there. I'm sure I'll make it home. It's still got some power. It just feels